Our new laser-welded LD460 multi-diamond cutting disc cuts through granite, concrete, or asphalt, making it ideal for gardening and landscaping. As well as being suitable for fast dry cutting by hand, the LD460 Multi is of course also suitable for wet cutting on stationary machines. It cuts paving stones on a wet cutting machine in a matter of seconds, producing an absolutely clean cutting edge. This makes it an all-rounder for landscaping.
Thanks for liking and sharing. Subscribe to our channel now so you don't miss any new videos.